Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing a surge protector on this outdoor unit. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and loosen up that cover. I have already shut it off at the breaker, but we're going to double check with our meter. Go ahead and take that off. We got a new tech out today in training. Get them up to speed within a reasonable amount of time, of course. Okay, so now we're gonna check, there you go, the voltage on the power coming from the breaker from the house. See those wires are coming out of the house?
Put it straight to the little nail, right?
Yep, to the set screw, yep, and then put this one on the other set screw. Okay?
Zero.
So we're good to go. So now we can go ahead, put the meter away, and we're going to start installing the surge protector. So remember, first thing, we're going to do this little knockout. We're going to punch it out with this. Use that to hold it up against it, right in the middle. No, it's in the middle.
The middle?
Right in the middle, yep.
Just like that?
A little bit harder, yep. A little bit harder. Oh, come on. There you go. All right.
Took a little bit.
All right. We'll take that out. And let's unpack. What we're going to be doing today is going to be the ICM control. This is the model here. If you want to get one of these, this is what we're going to do. Okay, so here we are. This is where we're at. It's very important, this comes in the kit, that you put these washers on, okay? This first one is more of a spacer. The second one is a weatherproof washer. So then he's going to put it on there. Go ahead. And then, yep, that's all he did. That's all we're at. He's going to put it on there. He's going to put the other washer on. It's the other way. I think it goes the other way. The washer?
Sure.
Yep, goes the other way. The little taper side goes the other way.
This one?
Yeah.
So this way?
Yep. Yep. And that is because it's going to get more snug against that taper in there. And then it's pretty simple. We're just going to tighten it up. Fast forward a little bit, but just make sure it's nice and snug. And if you have to use some channel locks or a hammer and a screwdriver to tighten it up a tad bit, you can definitely do that also. Alright, so now you put them on nice and snug. It's nice and snug on there. Now he's going to go ahead and wire it in. And this particular model you do put on the load side. So that's on the high voltage wires coming into the actual outdoor unit. You're going to do 1 to 1. We're going to cap off the white. And then we're going to also obviously put our ground in there. So for the sake of time, we'll just fast forward it. Alright, so then now that he's all done, and he's put his, again, his black wire on the load, his other black wire on the load, and then his green to his ground. Now check your own installation instructions, but this is just for demo purposes. And then just cap off your white. That's on there now. He's going to go ahead and put the cover back on. And the whole point of what I was talking about, the spacer and the weather washer on the outside, was that when you close the door, if you don't put them on, you could end up bumping into it. You don't want to do that. And there it is. We are all done. The unit is running, and you can always tell if the unit is working right, or the surge protector is working right, because it will be lit like there. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.